Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about the WeCreat Lumos and the new rotary set that just came in the mail here. We're going to be showing you this little cup that I engraved here. This is the IR laser head that I used for this one. It turned out really good looking here. I did try it with the blue laser head. It didn't quite make it through, but it has this nice ghosting effect to it. And then I went a little bit more powerful with the blue laser head, trying out different settings here. And that has an even darker, richer ghosting effect, but still didn't make it through. So that's when I switched to that IR that we originally showed you. Made it through. It looks great. Looks amazing here. And then I even left a space at the bottom of this so I can add like words and sayings to this. And since I was just testing out settings, and we can still get some good use out of that cup. If you're interested in what the cup looked like originally, look like this. And then I got this from Menards and they had a logo there. I just scratched it off with scratch pad paper here, and then I engrave right over those scratches, and you get a nice cup for $2. If you haven't watched our $2 cup video, check that out as well. But as far as the installation goes, installation is super easy. I'll put up their little installation video right here in the corner while I'm talking about it, but they show putting 2 screws over here, which my plate does not have that. I don't know if it's just because my plate is in beta mode or what, but they show 2 screws over here that go into this, and then they show 2 screws in another set of screw holes that are not on my base plate here. So it may be on yours, or they may change the instruction video. As of right now, that is the instructions that I was given. So I just went off of these 2 holes here, the closest ones that it shows in that video here, and it worked amazing. So I think this is going to be the new setup here. And luckily, I only needed 2 screws instead of 4 screws. It shows putting 2 screws back in these 2 holes back here, but just the 2 by themselves with these rods in place locked it into position, and I don't have to move it anywhere, and it worked great just like this with those 2 screws, making it a super easy process. You just then take the cable, wrap it around, and connect it to the back of the machine over here, and you're all connected and ready to go. You can then turn your dial left or right to loosen or tighten these jaws, or you can change the jaws into the other clamps that will clamp on the outside of a cup versus the inside. And then you just place your cup on here, and it'll spin back and forth. So this cup's a little bit tight in this mode here, but you just put it on like this, and then it's going to spin back and forth. You're going to see it engrave in just a moment here. So with all that said, that is the new rotary tool from WeCreat on their new machine, WeCreat Lumos. Let's go ahead and show you an engraving of this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.